It's incredible, isn't it, dear Aquarius, the way that the mind can convince you that it needs so much more than what you actually need to take a step and move forward in your life. It will convince you, and it's so loud. And it sounds so true if you keep giving it your energy and your attention. It will convince you of what's missing, what you don't have, what you're lacking. And once you get it all, then you'll be able to achieve this thing, or then you'll be able to take the next step forward. And none of that is true. What's happening is you're getting caught up in the mental noise. You're getting caught up in all of the inner dialogues that are playing out in the back of your mind. And getting caught up with them is you're identifying with the lack. I don't have enough of this, I don't have enough of that, I don't have enough confidence. Once I do this course, that program, this thing, that thing, and I fix myself, then I have the confidence that I need, then I can put myself out in the world. And then once I put myself out in the world, then I can gain X, Y, Z. None of that is true. And the other truth may be that you don't even want to put yourself out in the world. You've just been told that's what you're supposed to do. Put yourself out there. Come on, get yourself out there. That's how you get X, Y. Maybe that's not even true for you either. And in order for you to know what is true for you, you have to be willing to disidentify from the myriad of inner dialogues that are having back and forth conversations somewhere in the back of your mind right now.